For 76 years, Pluto was taught in classrooms as the solar system's ninth planet. In 2006, one vote changed that. Clyde Tombaugh discovered Pluto in 1930 at Lowell Observatory in Arizona, while searching for a predicted planet X that astronomers believed was tugging on the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. Pluto quickly took its place as the ninth planet, and it held that title for decades, even after later, more precise observations revealed it was far smaller than originally believed, smaller even than Earth's own moon, orbiting on a notably tilted and elongated path compared to the other planets. Early astronomers even calculated Pluto's mass incorrectly for decades, initially estimating it as similar to Earth's before better measurements steadily revised that figure downward. The real trouble began in the 1990s and 2000s, as astronomers using new, more powerful telescopes discovered a growing population of icy bodies beyond Neptune, in a region now known as the Kuiper Belt. In 2005, a team led by astronomer Mike Brown discovered Eris, an object with roughly Pluto's own size, and ultimately measured to be more massive. If Pluto counted as a planet, astronomers now had to decide whether Eris, and potentially dozens of other similar Kuiper Belt objects, deserved that same title too. In August 2006, the International Astronomical Union met in Prague and voted on a formal definition of planet for the first time in the history of astronomy. A planet, they decided, must orbit the Sun, be rounded by its own gravity, and have cleared its orbital neighborhood of other debris. Pluto met the first two conditions easily, but shares its orbital zone with countless other Kuiper Belt objects, so it failed the third condition. It was reclassified as a dwarf planet, a new category created that same day. The vote was famously contentious even inside the room, with only a few hundred of the thousands of IAU members present actually casting a ballot on the final day of the conference. The decision remains genuinely controversial among planetary scientists, not just the public. Some researchers, including the lead scientist on NASA's New Horizons mission, which flew past Pluto in 2015, argue the cleared its neighborhood criterion is poorly defined and would technically disqualify even Earth under certain interpretations. Whatever its official label, New Horizons revealed Pluto to be a geologically active, complex world, with towering mountains of water ice, nitrogen glaciers, and hints of a possible subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. Many planetariums and some scientists still informally refer to Pluto as a planet in casual conversation, a sign of how unsettled the cultural debate remains 2 decades later. Subscribe for more decisions that reshaped how we see the solar system.